Let's decide as a group which problem we want to solve. In our last session, we were supposed to find a problem of our daily life and sources of information related to. In today's session, we will sort out the problems in order of their importance. We will also try to profoundly understand a certain problem and plan to solve it. We will be divided into groups to do these tasks. There is nothing more delightful than working in a group together. All the great deeds of the world are accomplished through cooperation, not competition. Now we will be divided into groups and each group will choose one problem. Let's read cell 1.3 before proceeding. Cell 1.3. Things to be prioritized while selecting a topic. Number 1. The topic should be a little unique or different. 2. We will select the topic after being certain that it has a lot of information and we can find it. 3. We will not have a lot of time in our hands to search for information on the topic and arrange to present them. We will present it after an other session, so we should not choose a complicated topic. 4. We should consider that we do not have to spend any money while doing this work. 5. Finally, we will inform our teacher which topic we have selected and finalize it after taking his or her opinion. Group discussion and finalizing problem or topic. After deciding the problem or topic to work about, we will distribute the tasks among us in the group. We will decide who will search for which information. Let us fill up the table below for our own group. Table 1.3. Name of the group. Selected problem to deal with. Possible list of sources of information for the problem. Preparation. When we take interviews for an experienced person, expert, witness, or a victim for necessary information, we must ensure that their privacy is protected. First, we will take their permission if they want to talk or provide information. If they are willing, we will assure them that they can keep their identity secret if they want. We will ask them if they want to keep their identity secret. If they want to do that, we will present their quotation or statement or speech while writing, speaking, or publishing it in this way. A doctor who does not want to be named said. Homework. We have probably collected some information as a group while working in the classroom. As homework, we will distribute the work among us who will look for which parts of the information. The next day, we will bring the respective information in the classroom.